Hey, what's good, guys? Calvin B here with a quick video for you guys. And I just received a comment on my ByTech Light-up Keyboard review, or the bundle rather. So the commenter's name is Mars, and he said he was having trouble with getting the backlight for the keyboard to turn on. So this video is to show you guys how to turn on the backlight for the keyboard, and also some suggestions if it does not work. So in the instruction manual, it actually tells you that you have to hit the scroll lock button. And as you can see, the scroll lock button actually has a cog over it, so that indicates that that's the button to use. So if you press that, the backlight for the keyboard should turn on. Now, if the keyboard backlight does not turn on, then my suggestion would be is take the USB out of the port that you have it in, try plugging it back in. If it still does not work, try taking the USB out and putting it into a different port, because it could be that the port that you have the keyboard plugged in is defective and it's just not working on that port. So just try a different port. If you plug it into a different port and it still does not work, it's probably a defect with the backlight for the keyboard itself. So in that case, I cannot suggest that you would go and buy another bundle to get another keyboard like this. My suggestion would be to look for a different RGB keyboard. Honestly, for the bundle, you're paying $20 for it. And you are basically getting 4 different items. You're getting the keyboard, the headset, the mouse, and also the mouse pad. So essentially, you're basically paying $5 for this keyboard. So I'm pretty sure that there's other RGB keyboards that are around the same price, but are a higher quality. So I would suggest looking for another keyboard, because it would be no point in buying another bundle just to get the headphones, mouse, all that stuff. You know, you could buy it to have a backup, but at the same time, you're just hoping that the backlight on the other keyboard works also. Also, just so you guys know, to turn the backlight off again, just hit that button again, hit the scroll lock button again, and it'll turn off. So yeah, that's basically about it. Hopefully this helped you all out. Mars, I hope that answered your question on how to do this and some suggestions for you. But don't forget to be brilliant, stay inspired. You guys know what it is, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.